And many people are reacting to the Supreme Court's decision and asking what it all means for Trump's pending criminal cases, especially those that stem from his efforts to challenge the 2020 election results.
At the heart of the Trump v. the U.S. was the question that has not been answered by the High Court until now. Is a president immune for actions taken during their tenure in the Oval Office? The Supreme Court said yes, but only for official acts. Tiffany Maddox spoke with state political experts on what exactly this means for Trump, the upcoming election, and the future. Tiffany?
Yeah, today's ruling makes a distinction between official actions of a president, which have immunity, and those of a private citizen. I spoke with two area experts who say it will take a while to determine the differences. Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that former presidents have immunity for their official actions, upending the case against former President Donald Trump over his attempts to interfere in his 2020 election loss. Area experts say this ruling is historical and are weighing in.
Official acts are immune from criminal prosecution. However, his unofficial acts are not immune. So the real question that remains to be seen and remains to be worked out in the maybe weeks or months to come is, what do you mean by an official act? What do you mean by an unofficial act?
The amount or level of immunity for non-official acts depends upon the facts of the case and would have to be determined by the local court in which the case is being tried.
The 6-3 decision, which is complex, further delays special counsel Jack Smith's prosecution. Now, could this ruling have any effect on local governments in the future?
There's been a growing distrust of a number of American institutions, and there have been substantial questions raised about the ethical behavior of elected officials and judges at a number of different levels of government. I expect that we will have a continuing set of legal challenges to the behavior of elected officials.
It's entirely possible that the same principle could be applied to other executives, governors, and perhaps even mayors as well.
The ruling likely preventing a trial on the former president's federal election subversion case before the November election. And both Paul Rizicki and Michael Chongout say this delay is a win for Trump, as it could eliminate some key evidence that Jack Smith's team has assembled in the January 6th case. For ABC 12 News, I'm Tiffany Maddox.